Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. Miss Bear, what's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Or to drive it out of the parking lot. Try it in the direction of the arrow. I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them. Things are missing. Help Hank find them. Thank you, Officer Kiki.
Stop at the red light and cross the road on the green light.